Hi, Alice here. Going to be doing another walkthrough tutorial. Now, this is going to be for the design part of my final project. So, let's get started. All right, I want to do two designs. One is going to be a flag for the Antifa domestic terror group, and one is going to be the poster that you'll see around advertising for people to help stop this group. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to go ahead and say this because I've got, I'm going to have, a few flag words in here. This is for a school project. This is a fictional ad, flag, all of the above. It's not for anything real. It's for a school project. It's for a digital storytelling class. So you see this and you go, "Oh my God, what is this guy creating?" It's for school. It's part of a story I'm writing for my final project. All right, so anyway, now we've got that nonsense out of the way. Let's go ahead and start working on the poster. So we're going to start making a poster. We're using canva.com. It was great. I used it all through this semester. So I'm going to start with this poster. Now, first thing that I want to do, so I need to get a picture. So I found this good picture of holding hands. So I want that because it's kind of trying to get people to come together, So that got that downloaded. So I can go ahead on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and move that to where I need it to be. Rename it. Okay. That's sorted out. All right, now we're back. Let's go ahead, go up here, go back to our poster. Ooh, that is not the poster. This is the poster. Move it over here. All right, so I've got the poster. Now I'm going to want to change background. So this picture here, it's got a lot of white to it. Got some other colors too. So I'm looking at this kind of green color in the background. I think I'm going to try and capitalize on that a little bit. So let's go and let's fill our background. If I open this all the way up, usually Canva will understand that it's a background. Let's see if it's going to do that today. Only does that with my images, apparently. Anyway. Close it up so I can see better. Just try and snap things where I don't want it to. There we go. Alright, so we've got a background here. Let's go and change the color of this thing. Ooh, that's horrendous. So let's turn that way down. Way down. So it's not quite black. I think it's going to work out nicely. So now we're going to go to uploads. Let's upload that picture we just got. Beef it up. Fills the whole thing. There it goes, doing that. So I keep finding Canva likes doing screwy things with my pictures. I try and upload them in like this. The second it gets bigger than ever, it tries to tell me that I'm trying to make it into a background, which I am not. So one stripe for Canva. Definitely gonna be that. Use the crop tool on it. Get this to be. Alright, let's change the transparency on it a bit. Yeah. Alright, I like it. It's nice and centered. Got that. Cool. Definitely like that green backdrop. So, as you see, it blends pretty nicely in. See, let's see if there are any other filters we can throw on this thing. Could blur it in. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. That. Do the vignette on it. Max that up a little bit. Leave our blur. There, just so you can almost make out knuckles on their hands. Just almost. Alright, cool. Like that. Not a lot. As you can see, since we did the vignetting on it, it kind of blurs those edges a little bit, which is great because I really can't stand how it usually does that thing to me where it tricks up. Watch. What happens if I do that? Bigger? Okay. Okay. Ah, didn't do it that time. Good. There must be some function of it that I'm just not quite familiar with. It's getting. Either way, though, kills me. All right. Let's add a heading. Let's give this a fancy header. And change the color here. Could do white. It's too abrasive. Gray is pretty not bad. Dark gray is not too bad. That one's not too bad. That's just terrible. So let's find a good color for this thing. We got some gray, we got some black, we got some green. So let's go searching on the color wheel. Right? Happy with that. Let's actually look and see if we've got a box we could add in. box here. Let's take this right up here, center him, down a little bit, up a little bit, and back one, spread this over, spread that over, and then just a little bit. Play with this transparency. So it gives those. See, that's what it looks like without seeing it. It's like, okay, you know, this box, and just so you don't see the difference between the inside of the box and outside the box, because the border of it makes it almost invisible. So help stop plastic tear. Okay, so we've got this. All right, let's go back to our text. We need excuse me. So now we're going to go ahead and tips. Your tips count. Actually, I feel like this could have made good spot for a slightly larger subheading. So we're going to bump the font size up. That's too big. Just a slightly darker version of the background color. Well, let's go ahead and look around and see if there's anything else good we could do. Oh, that one really stands out. Super dark red against the green background. Whew, stands out better than black. I like that. We're gonna stick with that one. So we got your tips count. Another little body of text. Your tips count there. Let's line that up. If you observe behavior. Well, let's go ahead and look up. What does a crime fighter's crime fighters ad? You always see these on great, there's a show called Crime Fighters. Well, that's terrible. So this looks better. Crime Fighters ABC. We're not really looking at this for news. We're looking to find a thing. There we go. Any information about suspected TISA. Use hotline. Steam tip. How many letters is that? STEAM. It's 5 letters. 7 letters, guys. Steam. ANTIS. ANTIS says 6 letters. ANTIS. Your tips count. What does it look like if I put that in the middle? Terrible. Like exactly where it is. Alright. Like that, so help stop domestic terror. Your tips count. So we're gonna change this guy. Let's make him the same color. Let's try gray. White, no, dark. Yeah, no, maybe. Bad. That red. That red, yo. Like it. Alright, so now we've got our poster. Cool. File. Save. Let's download this bad boy. Download. Cool. So I got that downloaded. Alright. Now, onto our flag. Alright, let me grab this tab I've got open in this window. Cool. that. Unsplash, great image user. That's where we got this one from. So, all right, now we're going to work on the flag. All right, so let's go ahead and start out with a, there's a bit zoom. It's a bit zoomed in. Let's refresh. That's better. Okay, cool. So now we got that. So for this one, now we're going to want a background. Nope, I don't want a background. No, honestly, I want black. Alright, cool. So now we're going to go to the Noun Project. It's a cool website, nounproject.com. You can use it for getting icons for using in your designs. So for this guy, I have the paid subscription, so I don't have to credit when I use these icons. I don't have to put in a tag saying that I used this icon by whoever. If you don't get a paid account, a pro account, it's not bad. It's just like 19 bucks. So it's worth it to not have to worry about crediting something and getting in trouble. And once you have bought the pro license, any images you download while having that license, even if you stop buying the license, so if you end your subscription, you can still use those icons without crediting them, as long as you have them in your possession on your computer or whatever. But then, of course, if you stopped your subscription, you of course have to pay for, well, not pay for, but you'd have to credit any you download after that. So we're gonna go ahead and download this guy. So I searched for electric. I found this cool little electric here. That's what I want. It's an electric guitar. Huh. Interesting. Download. So we're going to use this SVG. We're going to see how that turns out, because that apparently is infinitely scalable, which is good, because we're going to scale the snot out of this thing. All right, here we go. I'm going to go and move my file around so I can use it. SVG. Right. Here, go back to our flag, upload. Upload my own image. SVG. Clicky. Oh, that's cute. It's a cryptic. Well, that's cute. So it shows up. Oh, let me use it. That's cute. Let's try that. Yeah, it's not gonna do it, is it? No, let's save. Let's refresh the page and try it again. See if that was it. Nope. Awesome. That sucks. So, at the drawing board, we're going to download the PNG this time. Hopefully that gives us more success. And no success. So let's move this one to trash. Give this a shot. Bingo. All right. That. Leave it like that. It's got a very vertical feel. Put it like that. Makes it a completely different picture, doesn't it? Like this, you could drew a line and through it, you'd have the Microsoft Azure symbol almost. Well, let's go ahead and leave it straight for now. Move it. Usually these things, they take about like that. See how bad does the blur get when I scale it? Actually not bad. Bad at all. Cool. Let's give this a shot. Let's see if there's a particularly good yeah, there we go. They make these things so small. Resize. Oh yeah, good. Good, good, good. All right, and ungroup. Yeah, group these because it's going to be a problem. So now let's look up my original acronym. This guy. Right. Over on the blog. On blog side. Oh, this isn't the one I wanted to use. Look at this. There we go. Right there, and I click that. Okay, cool. Fantastic. just there. I'm going to copy that. Paste. And there's a whole bunch of it. This is an easy way for me to get these fonts out of it. Change color to black. Line it up with the old eyeballs. So what happened? Oh, red. I don't like red. There are these. Red, pink, red. Yeah, I like that right there. Alright, good old Montserrat. I've used that font a lot in this class, actually. It's been very good to me. Really want that to be in one line. There we go. Alright, we don't need like half of the stuff in this box. Alright. And the pollution. Save the planet. Group those together. Just so it's a little more manageable. Move this guy down a bit. Put that over some. Patador so this points are even. Another handy tip when you're working with Canva, you can use the arrow keys to move your text box so to send all your little elements once they're highlighted. So you can be really precise with it. Even this guy up, even it up on the sides, top. TISA, the Interesting Activist if I like it there or not. Does it look? I think it looks nice. It's about centered. This is centered. See, it looks funny because this isn't close now. Here, it's not centered under this, but it's centered with the other part, and so you kind of lose it in that, which is nice. It's centered here to here, so you've got that one center, you got center it here, which is more important. So this is going to be our flag for Antisa. See. Man, this is going to be really cool once we're done with this thing. Alright, so anyway, we got our design, Antisa, anti-discrimination. Save. Let's go and download this. Alright, so here, this is great. So we've got our poster from the FBI asking for tips on Antisa, and we also have our Antisa flag banner. That is going to be found in the video later. It's going to be found in a post, which I'm going to be working on now once I get my story all written up. I think you're really going to enjoy it. All right, thanks. So now you know. All right, bye.